I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare linear wash versus Stormwash. We will explore the unique mechanisms and benefits of each system to help you understand their differences. Linear wash utilizes a moving spray arm to reach every corner, while Stormwash focuses on powerful, concentrated jets for heavily soiled items. By the end, you will have a clear picture of which technology best suits your dishwashing needs and preferences. Linear wash is designed for meticulous cleaning, featuring a spray arm that glides along a track, ensuring water reaches every single dish, from the front to the very back of the dishwasher. This innovative movement provides a consistent and even wash, preventing missed spots. It's particularly effective for standard loads, offering a gentle yet thorough clean that leaves your dishes sparkling without the need for pre-rinsing many items. Stormwash brings serious power to your cleaning routine, featuring a dedicated zone with multiple rotating spray jets that deliver a concentrated blast of water. This intense action is specifically engineered to obliterate baked-on food and grease from your toughest pots, pans, and casserole dishes. It's like having a built-in power scrubber, saving you the effort of hand scrubbing. For those challenging, heavily soiled items, Stormwash is an absolute game changer. Deciding between linear wash and Stormwash depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize consistent, corner-to-corner coverage for a variety of dishes and everyday loads, linear wash is an excellent choice. However, if you often find yourself battling stubborn, baked-on food on pots and pans, the concentrated power of Stormwash will be more beneficial. Both offer superior cleaning, but one might align better with your kitchen's demands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.